blog post for you guys about jade rolling. Jade rolling is one of my favorite things to incorporate into my skincare routine. It's so easy. It's great for lymphatic drainage, blood circulation, wrinkles. It's also great for just like therapeutic purposes and relaxation. I love waking up in the morning and usually my face is a little puffy and just jade rolling like under my eyes, or after a long day, taking my cold jade roller out of the freezer and kind of just jade rolling all of my oils into the face. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Great. Okay, so I just cleansed my face and now I'm going to apply some of my favorite oil, which is jojoba. I love jojoba because it's on the thicker side and it's also the closest to the natural oil that your body produces. So it's super moisturizing and it's easy for the skin to react to it. And it's not going to irritate you, which I also love. So I usually stick to jojoba, especially when jade rolling, and you always want to make sure you have a good thick oil on your face. You can also use a serum, but just so that the jade roller doesn't pull on your skin, you want it to more of like do a glide, because otherwise if you're pulling on your skin, you know, you're going to be causing more wrinkles. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that generously. And then, okay, so now I'm going to start with my jade roller. My personal favorite one that I have is this one, and it has a jagged edge and a regular edge. I love the jagged edge because it definitely helps stimulate a little bit more collagen than just the straight one by these little punctures. They also make ones with like smaller sides that are great for under the eyes, so it just kind of depends what you're looking for, and then also take your face shape into consideration as well. So I'm going to start with the regular side, and I'm just going to go from the inside out. And you always want to start from the inside and push up and out because we want to stimulate that skin to go up and stay lifted. Always keep my jade roller in the freezer because the cool sensation is just so relaxing and really helps depuff your skin, especially like in the morning. Okay. And then when I do my forehead, same thing, you want to start down and like in the middle and go upwards. And I even like to like raise my eyebrows. So you can see where some of the wrinkles are, and just push upwards. Okay, and then when I do my neck, start down and work up. Okay, and then I'm going to use the jagged edge now. And same thing, I'm just going to go in, push out. It's so relaxing. Sometimes I like fall asleep. Okay, and that's it. It's so easy to do. It only takes a couple minutes. I do about 2.5 minutes on each side, including my neck. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you go and buy a jade roller because it's so therapeutic and so relaxing, and everybody deserves just to feel great when they're putting on their skincare, and anything you can do to kind of help stimulate that skincare or help it absorb better in your skin, I'm always for. So yeah, and you can go look at the blog post if you kind of want to read a little bit more in depth about jade rolling, and then I also have a diagram on there kind of showing the movements, just until you get the hang of it. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it.